Did you know the presence of God can be practiced? It should be practiced. Teach, Pastor. Teach. See, how do I practice it? I start knowing God based on his word. I'll begin to call God out on his word. I'll begin to try to see God through his word. I begin to practice. He said 2 or 3. Okay, God, I know you here somewhere. I'm practicing your practice. Why? Because why? Your word said you be here. So now, God, I know you here somewhere. I'm practicing the presence. I know you're here. So, Lord, since I'm in your presence, I am now going to give you a praise. Since I'm in your presence, I'm going to magnify. See, that's what we did tonight. We knew, according to his word, that he said he would be here, but we had to honor him and give him praise. But we had to, even though we couldn't see him, we had to practice what?